I was born and brought up in Allahabad, a small city situated at the confluence of three sacred rivers, Ganga, Jamuna and Saraswati. I am extremely proud of my heritage and I believe my years in this city have contributed to my personal and professional life. There is a sense of candor and humility that a small town instills in you. Automobiles are my passion. Over the last 30 years, I have seen this industry changing rapidly, and it is imperative to be aware of the ground realities to be successful. Interacting with customers and understanding their needs is an indispensable part of my day, and it helps me develop long-lasting interpersonal relationships with them. My employees are truly the soul of the business. They help us build better relationships with customers. I believe my emphasis on teamwork keeps them motivated and in high spirits. Happy employees result in happy customers.
I have known Vinkesh for over 10 years now, both professionally and personally. A fine human being first and then an astute entrepreneur. He's always been able to balance relationships and business delivery extremely well. This is one of his biggest strengths. He has a very proactive nature to find solutions rather than focus on the problem. He also has a very, very strong level of business acumen and depth of understanding. And I'm sure he will do an excellent job as the president of FADA. Not only that, I think in the next 2 years, we will see him create a very, very good balance between all stakeholders, be it FADA, be it SIAM, be it the OEMs, and multiple other important bodies and associations.
United Automobiles has Mahindra and Bajaj dealerships based out of Allahabad and Faridabad. We have outlets spread over 4 cities and with over 500 employees. I started working when I was just 18. Being exposed to the business at such a young age really helped me understand its underpinnings. Over the past 30 years, United Automobiles has emerged as a pioneer, winning a multitude of awards for dealer satisfaction and sales, as well as gaining recognition for its excellent service and quality. As a family business, the United Group also has 9 colleges in Allahabad and Greater Noida with over 9,000 students. We also run United Medicity, a state-of-the-art multi-specialty hospital in UP. My family is truly special to me. My wife Pooja and my son Advais' constant love and support keeps me going.
I am extremely happy that Mr. Vinkesh Gulati is now going to take over as the president of FADA. Vinkesh is energetic, Vinkesh is enthusiastic, and above all, Vinkesh is dependable. You can tell him anything, you can give any work to him and just forget about it. Vinkesh is going to have a lot of challenges, but I am sure he will live up to most of them and probably win each one of them which is thrown at him. His relationships are phenomenal, and I think he is open to reaching out to anybody when it comes to making friends.
Living in a joint family, I have learned that it is extremely important to work together and understand each other. It is this strength and unity of our family that makes our business thrive, and hence the name United suits it perfectly.
Today is a very happy day for me as all of us welcome Vinkesh Gulati, my friend, my colleague and our Vice President as the next President of FADA. I have seen Vinkesh work in the past few years and more so closely in the last 2 years as a Vice President. His way of working is very methodical and organized, and he has a very bold approach to all dealer issues. That, I think, is the need of the hour for us and for FADA. I am extremely sure that Vinkesh will take FADA to the heights we have never seen before.
It has been an honor to contribute for the growth of FADA for over a decade. FADA is like a second family for me, and I believe the strength of our association lies in its members and our unity. With the collective effort and help of every single one of you, the members, council members and office team, I am sure we are truly going to scale new heights and chart a brighter future for the dealership community. Thank you.